What's going on, guys? My name is D. Anthony with Evolution Traders. In this video, I want to cover some of my trading from earlier this morning, kind of go over the setups. Now, in Discord, I let everyone know that's trading with Evolution Traders. I was looking to just take scalps today, just due to the fact that, we get those contract rollovers. I was expecting volume, to be a little in and out. And there's not a whole lot of levels to kind of support us way up here at all-time highs. Don't even get me started on where we're trading at right now. I did not even participate in any of this monster move over the past, 2 hours, 3 hours. With that being said, I was able to remain green on the funded account as well as a couple of evaluations. But again, that's neither here nor there. What I want to cover is the setup. So what I let everyone know is that I was going to be playing the 2-minute time frame. I was going to be sizing up a little bit between 1 and 2 mini contracts. I'm looking for 5 points. That was it. That 5 points is set hard. So as soon as I get those 5 points, it's just going to automatically sell me out. The wins are going to be anywhere between $100 to $200. So when I take that scalping approach, what I'm looking for is a higher win rate. I'm looking to land 2 to 3 trades, 4 trades, and then call it a day. If there's a scratch trade in there, if there's a losing trade in there, more than likely I shut it down altogether, right? Again, that's always the plan. Now going into the market, 2 minutes before the market opens, we get the 20 SMA play set up to the long side. It confirms I get in. That was the first trade of the day. 1 mini contract, a quick $100 move. We get that initial spike off the open, and then we get a nice 25-point range candle. Now, again, I know that I've been sitting out the first 30 minutes to an hour. But with that being said, I've built the cushion back up to where I'm comfortable trading early in the day. So if I do take a loss, I'll be able to, withstand it a little bit better. So the second trade also confirmed, and it went for 5 points. Now on this trade here, the low price was 19,940, and it went all the way down to 19,928. On this trade, I took 2 contracts. It was close to a $200 winner, and I think after trades got filled and commissions and all that stuff, I ended up with like $189 on that overall trade. Now we got a long setup, never confirmed. We got a short setup that did confirm, and I took this once more. Now at this point in time, I'm telling myself I'm 3 for 3 on the day. 2 of those trades were short. 1 of them was long. I've got to lock it up. I shut the funded account down. I move over to the evaluation accounts. I put on a little bit more size. You guys already know who follow me and are in Discord. I'm going to trade more size between 2 to 3, sometimes even 4 mini contracts. But again, I'm weighing, what I spent on the evaluation to my time and overall risk. So I'm going to treat that account as its own individual trade. With that being said, we do get a long setup. I take this one. And the short setup here, low price, 19,937, all the way down to 19,929 before quickly wicking up. One thing that has saved my ass time and time again when trying to get these scalps is setting that hard take profit, okay? Because if I was manually letting this thing go, more than likely I'm gonna let it go down and then wanna get a little bit more, and next thing you know, I'm trapped. I get back into the long position. You can see this is already, 5, 6 trades into the day, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And I take one more winner. At this point, it's time to absolutely lock it down or size all the way down. Now, I did take one more long setup here, which I'm kicking myself in the ass on because this trade here went up almost 300 points, right? And I took 5 points on this move. Absolutely insane, right? I'll get into this in another video. Also, you guys are gonna also see once we broke that initial balance, which is the first hour of trade, we broke that initial balance, we consolidated, and then we really just skyrocketed. This initial balance, this black box here, I just manually put this box up, but it's the first hour of trade. You guys need to have this on here because this is going to save your ass and it's going to make you a lot of money. It's going to help you decide when we're in a trend, when we're in a range, when we're in this, that, and the other. With that being said, sometimes it's good to scalp. Sometimes it's good to put the trade on and let it run. As a trader, we never know which one to do, right? It would be the day that I decide to let a trade run all day is a day that chops me up all day long. So all in all, we can't be upset. We are going to finish the day green. However, a lot of missed opportunities there. I hope you guys made some cash today. Again, just wanted to recap. This is how I use a 2-minute time frame. This is how I trade a little bit heavier size. Again, my stop loss is going to be the same. Now, if I do take a losing trade, obviously that losing trade is going to be a lot more than my winning 5 points worth of trade. But this whole goal of scalping this way is to have a higher win rate and to kind of push that envelope until you start to see scratch or you start to take that one losing trade. And from there, then you can analyze to either shut it down for the day, or you can manage to win 2, 3, 4 trades, you know, sometimes 2 trades, sometimes 4 trades, sometimes 10 trades. I don't know, right? It's a game of probabilities. But the point I'm trying to make is sometimes you can manage to start a day winning 1, 2, 3 trades and then just lock it down. Yes, you're going to have those days where you miss this monster move. But hey, if the whole goal is to come in here and extract money out of the markets and you did that early, regardless if you left a lot of money on the table, you did your job. You live to trade another day. With that being said, I'll see all of you guys on the next video, and I'm going to cover this whole trend up here and you know what the hell exactly is going on, and what I think is next, and how we can actually play this market, because this market has been a very, very tricky market to play. The bulls are definitely in control, but it always feels like there's that opportunity to start shorting, but then, you know, it doesn't happen. With that being said, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see all of you guys in the next video.